So this is 2 weeks after the live seminar. Just like how I called, Doge made a parabolic move when the price broke the grandstand line. Cutting to the seminar, here's where we spotted.
The whole month of market action is actually down to two inputs, like two different inputs, one down and one up. So you see the market doesn't contradict itself. So this impulse, go after it go for the deadline, it go horizontal, and then this impulse, try to go up for a while and then go to this horizontal. So the whole graph, believe it or not, the whole graph is composed by this impulse and this impulse only. See, it goes up and then go across. It goes up and go across. So without this, you don't know what the market is doing. But with now the father's grandson indicator, you know what the market is doing. And then you see it tries, when it hits this one, you then have more confidence that it balances the impulse back in here. And then it is working on this thing. And then maybe it will receive pressure when there's two more impulse and then up. But you see the whole month of market action is actually down to two inputs, like two different inputs, one down and one up. So this is how you see differently in the market.